north of the Broad. With me now is Bennett Schiller. He is the owner, senior partner of Schiller Hamilton, which is a law firm here in South Carolina, and they strive to be the most trusted law firm in the state.
That's correct. We don't believe size matters. We believe trust matters.
Right.
And one of the things that we pride ourselves on is we actually get to know our clients, and we spend time. They actually get to meet with their lawyer, and not just the paralegal, which are very valuable. But we strive to treat every one of our clients as if they're part of our family. And most of our clients become longtime friends, and that's important to us.
But Bennett, that takes time. That takes time to get to know your clients, and kind of what's the backstory.
Yeah. So when I started this years ago, back in '96 is when I started my practice. Joel Hamilton came to work for me as a runner, and while he was an undergrad, and then he clerked for me while he's in law school. So we've got more of a brotherhood. Mm-hmm. He's more like my little brother. So we're not really business partners as much. Okay. So that's kind of a neat.
Well, y'all put together a video a while back, and we're going to take a look at that right now. And Joel's in the video as well as you are and your other partners.
One of the things that we do different than many other firms is we actually get to know our clients. If you don't know what has been taken away from them, what they value, I don't know how you can represent them.
It's our job to get to know that person so that we can fully understand how that tragedy is impacting their lives.
Our lives touch so many other people.
There's always ripple effects after a tragedy strikes. If you don't take the time to sit down and get to know someone, you are not effective counsel.
And we believe that with much is expected.
And we do everything we can to make sure that our blessings are returned to the communities that we serve. If you are not the type of person who wants to serve your community, honestly, you just don't have a place in this firm.
In 2018, I was involved in a car accident. I was going through an intersection with a green light. A driver failed to yield, and I collided in the side of the vehicle. I wasn't going to be receiving any money for my loss. I was worried because not having a car was going to prevent me from going anywhere and doing anything with the family. I knew I needed to hire an attorney. When I spoke to the team, they treated me like they were family. Kind of like when you talk to somebody, you just realize you click with them. I just knew that they were honest. I would really recommend them to anyone that needs an attorney.
We have an opportunity every single day to make someone's life better.
When someone calls us, we immediately have to figure out a way to help this person get their life back on track and to somehow figure out how to make them whole again. And it really starts with that personal service.
Our vision is to become Carolina's most trusted injury law firm. And we do that through relentless mindful service. We take great pride in that.
When we're children, we're taught, if you make a mess, you clean it up. When someone is injured as the result of someone else's negligence, it's our job to make sure that that person is made whole and the one who caused the harm is held accountable.
Our ultimate goal is to ensure that our clients recover emotionally, physically, and financially.
If you or someone that you truly care about is suffering as a result of someone else's negligence, call Schiller and Hamilton, and I promise you that we're going to do everything we can to serve that person.
I really love that video. It shows how you strive to make people whole.
Yeah, I mean, that's the goal, and we've been doing it a long time now. So it's great when we can give back to our community and give to our clients. So that's what we take great pride in.
And you work with them on the emotional side, and of course the financial side, and even physically to get them better.
Yeah, that's kind of our motto is that we want our clients to recover. Mm-hmm. Emotionally, physically, and financially.
Right. So and so you have eight attorneys, 4 up in Rock Hill, 4 here. Yeah. You've been in, how long has your firm been?
Well, I opened my office down here in 2011.
Oh, okay.
So I've been here 12 years now.
And we have about 30 seconds. What kind of cases what kind of law do you practice?
Well, we represent people when bad things happen. Most of that is an injury that can be life-changing. Motor vehicle accidents, workers' compensation, some medical malpractice. Some products liability cases, but when someone gets hurt, we try to help them.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite type of case?
Oh, all of them. I really like helping folks that are truly in need. And, you know, some people come to us and want us to represent them. And, you know, they really aren't seriously injured. But the ones that have life-changing injuries, those are the ones that are the most rewarding.
It kind of gets to your heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Bennett Schiller with Schiller and Hamilton.